good morning. Another venture for us. So we are here at TTC World. This is also called Valley of Love. This is a very huge park. There's a glass bridge, there's zip line, there's rope activities. So make sure that if ever you visit, you have to, wear comfortable clothes, active clothes. So we're here quite early. It is we arrived here at 7:20. The park opens at 7:30. Now our tickets, we bought it through Klook, so our tickets already have the access to the glass bridge. But I'll pan the camera over. There's a list of the prices of the tickets there in front. So let's see how we go. So we go through here. So I'd like you to see the tickets first. So there are different kinds of tickets. So for sightseeing for adults, it is $250. Now I do know there's the different prices if ever you want to do the luncheon buffet, breakfast buffet, and then there's also access to the glass bridge. Now if ever you just want to do sightseeing, this is what we got, which is 400,000, but we got our tickets via Klook. And if ever, it would be much cheaper because there's Klook discount prices. Now, let me go ahead and show you. This is a ticket booth, of course. They're still closed, but here is the park map. Let me hand over. So you see, I do hope you'll be able to get a copy of this that we can bring with us while we are exploring the whole park. So it is huge. So there's a cultural village. There's this is the entrance area. So if we go through here, that's the national cultural village, and we'll see the maze, the Valley of Love Central area, which is a hedged maze that looks like the heart. There are others more activities. There's the marina area. I do know you can ride the boats or the ducks over there. And then there's a flower garden. And then there's the Von Can Hill area. And then way up top is the Valley of Flowers area. Now I would need to make sure that I scan through the map because what we really want to do is go through this glass bridge first. So once we enter, we'll go through here, we go through the glass bridge. So it is a huge area, so make sure that you wear comfortable clothes, comfortable shoes, and be ready for a very good and decent adventure for the whole day. For me, thank you. So as you notice, we're the first ones here. All right, so as I mentioned earlier, there's actually a coaster that you can use to go around. So every time you see one, just hop on, but it doesn't have any specific way as where you're going. So that is how huge the map is. And actually you can already see the glass bridge from here. So we are going towards that glass bridge. It's going to be quite a hefty walk. So perhaps I'll go ahead and do a bit of a pause on this video and then resume once we are there. So there are actually markers, but might as well I will resume once we are on the glass bridge. So I'll see how we go, and I'll see you when we're there. Okay guys, so we're now here at the area where we're near the glass bridge. But before we go ahead and cross the bridge, there's another area here called the Ancient Village. So might as well, before you go through the glass bridge, have a bit of a breath, because I've mentioned earlier, it is quite a steep walk. So for you to enjoy, the exhilarating experience of the glass bridge, might as well have a bit of a breather while walking through the Ancient Village. Now, here in Vietnam, they are Buddhist majority, and so they're very much into the Chinese zodiac. So they have that to see the rat, pig, tiger. There's ram or ox over there. So there might be bits and pieces. I think going down probably. Now there are also temples. See, there's a rat with an inglet. There's a temple at the bottom. Someone is actually praying, so that side. So yeah. So there's another entrance over here. Then there's another Asian structure. There might be a few more way down. And again, guys, this place is massive. So make sure that you bring some water, some extra snacks. Though I do know they have restaurants as well. But that being said, it is always good if you go here early with all of the other essentials. So there's also another place for you to take in your photos. Quite a number of sculptures as well, and of course a lot of flowers. There's a image of the White House, I think, way down at the bottom. So there's another thing here that's Gong State and Transportation Station. Transportation Station is where you get through the coasters. So you got to be mindful of that because there are coasters that are going, all throughout the area. So a lot of pine trees. All right, so I think we'll take a pause. And we'll just do a couple of photos in this area and then go back up to cross the glass bridge. Okay guys, so we're back here at the entrance of the glass bridge and we'll now enter again. There is a price for this. It's a separate one. So for adults it's 200 VND. So there he goes. And then for me, I just have a lot of stuff with me. Okay, so you are required to put cover for your shoes once you are going to enter the bridge. So let me just pause and then put those on and let's see how we go. So we're now going to cross the glass bridge. Again guys, before you go through here, make sure that you explore the other part before you enter because this is just a one-way ticket for you to cross this bridge. You cannot go back. So, well, you can pretty much stay, but once you enter, you cannot go back anymore. Now, I would want to put in a video of us really like crossing the whole thing. It is quite daunting if you look at the bottom, specifically for those who have fear of heights. It is going to be quite daunting. Hubby, look at me. Good so far?
Yeah, you're good.
Yeah. So best way to go about here is make sure that you enjoy the view. And again, technique, don't look down for a very long time. And I like it how they're able to maintain the bridge very clear, because I think that's the reason why they put in, see the bottom, there's a bit of droplets of rain because it is a bit misty. It's a cold morning. It's not really a rainy morning. It's just you know, misty because of the clouds. But yeah. So see the bottom. We're still not yet way in the middle. Almost. So pretty much that. We're almost at the middle. So perhaps we'll just take in some photos and enjoy the view, of course, from the glass bridge. And actually there's a whole lot more for the rest of the area. So perhaps we'll just see you on the next area of here in the Valley of Love. So we are now done doing the glass bridge. We are now going through a different area. To be honest with you, I don't have the map with me, so I don't exactly know what's the next area that we're going to go. But so far, so good. This is a very aesthetic shot. If ever you would want to have a bit of a romantic photo, this is one of the best places to do it. And I'll pan the camera on the other side so you'll be able to see, because the colors are better on the other side. So I think that's really a perfect view for another photo. There's a section here that are kind of like a Holland themed. There's a train over there, then there's bicycles with flowers, and then there's also there's a lot of section that has a lot of flowers, I can just say. And just to let you know, guys, be on the lookout, because there are real peacocks that are here. So make sure that you look around, because you might be able to take a snippet of a photo to go there. So there's another area, I just don't know. Oh, it's the Wax Museum. I do know there might be a separate fee, separate ticket for that. Just have to check. But so far I can see Donald Trump on that area. And as you can see, there are other places for you to take in photos. I'll just zoom in a fair bit. There's a peacock over there. And there are a lot of people that are fixing the landscape. So if you hear a very loud noise, that's the machines, or that's their equipment. So as I mentioned, there's quite a lot of restaurants that are in here. It's bakery. There's my husband there. My hubby waiting for me. And then this is also a very good place for you to take in a photo. Actually in Bana Hills, there's an area that kind of looks like that too. So yeah. Say hi. Yeah, we're just gonna wait for me to do a bit of a coffee break. Okay. So good thing that if ever you're kind of lost, there's always a street signs for you to know where it is: marina, restroom, transportation station. Photo. Later. So there are also people that would ask you if you would like to have your photo taken. So there's a lot of places for you to take your display photo or your DPs. And then I'll just go way over the edge before we have another pause while we explore and take photos. And then next time you'll see us, we'll be on a different area. But one thing that you'd see that's really nice is this part. So later we'll go down when I pause this video or in the next section, you'll see another area, but at least you'll have an aerial view of the rest of the place. So there are tons of things to do and tons of places to explore. So there you are. I would want to go way down over there. So we'll see. So we'll just take a pause and then you'll see us in the next area. Hi guys, so back now to the vlog. We're already here at the bottom part of the Valley of Love. As you can see, there's a big love sign over there. We're going to take a couple of more photos while we are here. It is really a big park, so I would suggest you go here quite early and wear very comfortable shoes. Okay, so very windy today, and I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video. I'll just include a couple of more photos that we took while we're here. And I hope you enjoy it. Have a good day. See you in the next vlog.